Hey, I'm Irish Kevin, and today we are going to do a repair to the infamous Ryobi garage door opener, or Ryobi, depending on how you want to pronounce it. What I'm repairing today is the belt, because the opener chewed the teeth off the belt in such a way that I just can't open it anymore. All right, here's a close-up look at the teeth that got chewed off the rail. There's the garage door opener. We're gonna unplug it, take the battery out, or show there's no battery in there. And you can see the pieces of the belt there on top. We'll clean that up later. Undo the bolts, take off the brackets. Alright, take down the carriage, pull the cotter pin, take off the rail, the whole rail, and nothing but the rail. And lift. Actually, I have a video where I put the garage door opener together, and the part that I didn't put in because I didn't have a way to film it was, actually mounting it with the rail and everything. So maybe this will suffice. Unbolt the tensioner. You might need a screwdriver to get some leverage to pull the pieces of the rail apart. Hey. This part came out easy. Pull off the carriage. All right, this one we're going to take it apart. Now I'm pulling out the gear housing. I don't know what it's called. See, there's some pieces stuck in there, so let's clean those out. All right, let me talk about this belt. I got it off of eBay, and I paid way too much for it. I think I got soaked 80 bucks for it. But what's nice about it is it's a perfect fit. There's no cutting. Okay, right about here, I want to talk about, a lot of folks have said you could use a LiftMaster belt. You just have to cut it to size, which I did try. There we go. And you need one of these rotary tools to cut it, because those little cables that are in there holding all the rubber together are pretty strong. But I'm not sure the one I got was an actual LiftMaster. I think I bought a knockoff. It didn't quite fit. It was just a little too thick.
test. Oh yeah, nice. This is a much better fit.
Okay, so now we're going to put it back together.
All right, we want to make sure we wrap it around this pulley here. This part goes to the front.
See, that fits in there just perfectly.
Piece is hooked up.
Here's the trick. You have to make sure it's the correct way and not backwards. This is the correct way.
Okay, to put on the third and final piece. Slide that down there.
Now I'm hooking up the tensioner. Actually, I'm installing the tensioner. When I took this apart, I counted how many revolutions of the bolt there were. You don't really see that here. I don't really talk about it, but I did. Just so it's not too tight, not too loose.
So, I mean, it seems okay. All right, we'll do a function check. Looks good. Now I'll get...
In my original installation video, which is on this channel, I didn't film the part where I lifted the garage door opener into place. And that's because I didn't really have the means to film it at the time. I connected the front and it was angled down to the ground, and then I lifted it up and I just couldn't film it. And there were some disappointed viewers. So, in retrospect, this is the better way. Have the motor mounted and then hook up the rail. So maybe I'll make a link or a reference or something from that video to this part of the video.
This is going to be a recreation because this just fit right in. So, bam. I expected the gear to be, you know, off and I'd have to turn it, but no, it just fit right on. So yeah, put your clamps on.
Alright, they do this for a reason. This one, I can't win with this, huh? This one is shorter, so you don't stupid proof it. You'll see what I mean in just a second. And that reason is because this side needs more length.
Let's get it in there eventually.
Perfect.
Okay. Let's get her connected. All right. I have to do is set the limits.
I'm not going to show you setting the limits because there are videos out there that are nice and short and concise and easy. And they did it better than I can explain it.
Let's test it. Ooh.
Well, all this happened during the great app blackout of 2024. I have a couple of other videos where I hooked up a MyQ garage door opener. It's working pretty well. My wife loves it. She hated the Ryobi app. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that happy horse pucky. We'll see you next time.